In this video, I'm going to show you how to make calls on HubSpot. So there's actually a few ways. I'm going to show you all of the most common ones right now. The first thing you have to do is set up your phone number. So you can go to settings or directly click on this call button up top, and it's going to say you have to basically set up your phone number. So click on set up a number, and it's going to take you to your settings directly. And then from here, you can go and where it says phone numbers, you can go and basically register a phone number in here. You could go and get a HubSpot number, or of course do whatever you want in here. You first have to get your call connected, your number connected. You also have call configurations over here, and you can then just go and of course set these however you want them to be. There's a bunch of different things like recording and stuff like that, which is quite convenient. Once you've done this, you then have a few options to record. So we can go and make a call from the top navigation bar, which I showed you already. You can click on here, select who you want to call, and then you can make a call. Okay, that's the first way. But then the second one is going to be to make a call from a contact record. So go to the left here, hover over CRM, and click on contacts. Now, whenever you see this over here, you can just basically select the contact record. So over here, I'm going to do just like this one, the demo record I have over here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see up at the top, you have this call button. So if you want to make a phone call, just click on this call button over here. And of course, if you have your number set up, you'll be able to click on over here to start the call. And you'll be able to choose if you want to call from a browser or from a phone or via basically the mobile app. Okay. So that's essentially all you have to do to achieve this. And of course, if you don't have your number, you can get a new one or set your own one over here in just a few minutes. So that's how to call. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.